Hlabela phambili kulo lolu daba inhlangano eBuild a Better South Africa inxusa ukuthi kujeziswe kanzima abahlukumezi bodlame nokubulawa kwabesifazane kuleli. Le nhlangano ithi izoqhubeka nokweseka izisulu ze-gender based violence futhi imele ukuthi kwenziwe ubulungiswa.
Today I'm here on support of the community of Orlando. As PAPSA, we are here. We went to the community, went back to the community. We intervened and checked on how they are doing. We went to the family, we intervened. So it's not only about family, it's not about what was happening the first time when this whole case was starting. We are here for the family. We're going to be here for each and every child, each and every step. We know that the country has failed a family Amandla. We know that they promised them a lot of things. We're not going to promise them anything. We're going to do what each and every parent was supposed to do for umntwana. We're going to be here each and every step of the way.
Really shattered. Today we had to remind the community of Orlando. We have to remind the justice system here to there is still Amandla. Not only Amandla, there is Ukwekwe. There is other kids that have been raped. But not only that, what are they doing to family like Amandla? Bayenzeni, baphelele lapho kulelo viki lelo. Where is the justice? Where is the justice in South Africa? Are we only going to end namhlanje kuphelele la? Kuyophelele la. Abantwana bethu bayophelelaphi? Amandla today she's laying in her grave. She is still alive, but they're not doing anything for her. Bafuna ukuthi kuyenzakaleni. What is this world doing to us? La South Africa kuyenzakalani? Can we not have justice? Can we not have justice? Ramaphosa la uhleli khona baba siyakuhlonipha. But what is it that you are doing? Can you fight for our kids? Can you fight for us as women? Can you fight for us as a country? What is it that you're doing? Viva Amandla, viva. Let's all give justice to Amandla.